Welcome to Terra Naturals. Hibiscus Bioenzyme Shampoo is a natural hair care product that combines the benefits of hibiscus flowers with a bioenzyme shampoo base. This formulation leverages the nourishing properties of hibiscus and the gentle cleansing action of bioenzymes, result in a shampoo that promotes healthy, shiny, and strong hair. Hibiscus flowers are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and amino acids. Hibiscus flowers strengthen hair roots, promote hair growth, and add extra shine to the hair. Bioenzyme shampoo base made from fermented organic materials. This base contains natural enzymes that break down dirt and oil, providing a deep and gentle cleanse. Hibiscus and bioenzymes work together to fortify hair from the roots, reducing breakage and split ends. The antifungal properties of hibiscus help to keep the scalp clean and free from dandruff. Regular use of this shampoo can make the hair softer, smoother, and more manageable. Let's get started the recipe. I have taken 1 kg of fresh hibiscus flowers and leaves. First, remove the central parts and green base from the flower. After removing all, wash the flowers. Can use variety of hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is a perennial flowering plant grown throughout the seasons. Hibiscus has over 300 species of flowering plants, but hibiscus flowers with 5 petals are known for their beneficial properties. The red 5-petaled hibiscus flower is a popular ingredient in herbal remedies, teas, and cosmetic products. These flowers are contributing to both internal and external health benefits. For 1 kg of hibiscus flowers, I am using 20 grams of demineralized water, that is DM water. Don't add more water to make the hibiscus tea. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes. All the goodness of hibiscus flowers and leaves are collected in the water. Once you get this consistency, you have to add organic surfactant. To know about the organic surfactant, to know how to mix this organic surfactant in the shampoo, type yes in the comment box. I will share you the full detailed video of how to add organic surfactant in the shampoo with very less payment. Mixing this organic surfactant into the shampoo will give you the lather like market shampoo. Now I am adding this organic surfactant into the hibiscus flowers. After adding this surfactant, once again cook the hibiscus flowers for around 10 minutes. After adding this surfactant, you can see lot of lathers. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame and let the mixture cool down. Use a blender to blend the ingredients. In a tub, add bioenzyme shampoo base in ratio 3:1. That is 3 times bioenzyme shampoo base, 1 time hibiscus solution. Mix all together and give a nice blend. Mix the ingredients for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the beautiful lather of this bioenzyme shampoo. If you don't want to add any surfactant, you can make this shampoo without surfactant. To use. Using bioenzyme hibiscus shampoo is similar to using any other shampoo. Wet your hair with lukewarm water. Take a small amount of bioenzyme hibiscus shampoo and add some water and Gently massage the shampoo into your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. After massaging, allow the bioenzyme shampoo to sit on your hair and scalp for a couple of minutes. This gives the enzymes and nutrients time to work effectively. After 2 minutes, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure there is no residue left behind. Finally, rinse with cold water. Gently towel dry your hair and style as usual. Once give a try and your hair will love this Hibiscus Bioenzyme Shampoo. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.